In this video, we'll see what EDA in data science is all about. So EDA stands for Exploratory Data Analysis. So for those of you who are familiar with basic English, exploratory means to understand, go in depth and understand what something is all about. You can explore forests, jungles and understand them. Data is a number which has some kind of units. And analysis is drawing conclusions out of something and analyzing it completely. Okay. So let's understand this entire thing as a whole. So we'll take the vada pav example. Vada pav is Indian burger. Suppose I'm selling vada pav and I want to optimize my sale, increase the people I sell my vada pav. Then what I can see is I can collect the data using the various data collection methods in the last video. And then what I can see is I can try to answer some questions. What are these questions? These question is, where do I sell the maximum number of vada pav? At which place, on which street do I sell the maximum number of vada pav? What is the time on which I sell the maximum number of vada pav? Is there some kind of pattern in my ingredients which I can improve to sell the maximum number of vada pav? Then there are many such questions which can be asked. One of which being, what is the time, what is the day in the week where I sell the maximum number of vada pav? Okay. So now, before analyzing all this, we don't know any of the answers. Now, by exploring the data, we have the answers to all these questions. Then, to make this even better so that I can understand this at any particular given time, what I can do is I can visualize it. I can make various graphs out of it so that if I refer this anytime or if I show this to anyone, they can also comprehend it easily. So this is everything about EDA and intuition about what exploratory data analysis is. Thank you, and if you like the video, then subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you.